What's up, guys? We are not in the lab today. We are actually out at the beautiful Courtney Campbell Causeway. Just a little get together. We're hosting here from the Jeep Lab just to get some of our friends, family, customers together. We decided to host a little barbecue get together, so we'll show you guys everyone who's coming to hang out and some of the beautiful Florida weather. Is this like a parade? What is you charging for rides? All right, guys, that is a wrap. I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys who came out today to just support the Jeep Lab, but also just to have a good time, hang out, meet fellow Jeepers. We met plenty of new people, some old friends that we haven't seen in a little bit. So great day at the Causeway out here, Courtney Campbell in Tampa. Beautiful weather, had a nice little breeze. Everybody brought tons of food, so thank you to everybody who brought some stuff out. and just good to hang out with everybody and seeing everybody. So next event will be Jeep Beach, and as usual, that's going to be a good time. So we'll be posting a video for that one up next. Don't forget, guys, like, subscribe, and we'll see you again.
Left turn, Larry.
This is the driver of our tow rig here.